mukbang eating show. So we're back at it at Panda Express, and I got me this delicious walnut shrimp, some chow mein, and some super greens. Now let's dig in, shall we? Now look at that shrimp. Looks nice and juicy. So good. It does not taste sweet at all. It's just right. Oh my god, it is so good. I like that it's not sweet. I just love it. It's so delicious. It melts right in my mouth. So good. Definitely be getting this again. You gotta love it. Now let's move on to the super greens and the chow mein. Panda Express never fails you. It's so good. That walnut shrimp is to die for. So good. I love the hint of sweetness. It's not too sweet. It's not overwhelming at all. They're so good, you won't want them to end. So there you have it, food freaks, some delicious walnut shrimp from Panda Express. You gotta love it. Happy holidays, food freaks. That's it for today. Till next time we eat again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.